All right, going to show you how to. Oh, this was a Husky. There's my hood over there, LT4200 Husky. But I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition switch. Not that I know that this one is bad, but it's had some junk built up in it. It's been a long time since I ran this thing. Just kind of getting it going through it, and dirt dauber's been in it. So and I don't know where the key is. So looking to order a key and maybe clean out the dirt dauber nest, and I found that just ordering a couple of keys and shipping was going to cost almost the same as getting a switch with 2 keys with free shipping. Wasn't a whole lot of difference, so I decided just to go ahead and get the new switch, and 2 keys. I got a key and a key ring and another key. So I got 2 keys and a key ring and a switch for about, I want to say $5 or $6 more than just 2 keys with the shipping. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to replace this. And it's easier to show you out here, and it's easier to figure stuff out if you just when you buy it, before you try to take it off the mower. Buy it and see how it looks and what it is, and see what this right here is this mash is down like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. So all this does is just stick into a hole and clips into it. So what we're going to have to do is go inside and get a screwdriver between this part right here and the frame, and push this down, and then pull this thing out. Go. The bottom one should pop out the same way. You're not worried about tearing this one up. Well, it's loose. Just got to work it out of there. It's not loose on the bottom, but it's fitting to be, because it's too hard. It's hard to get to from underneath here. So I am going to just get it here. There we go. Now it's out. Now then, there it is. All right. Now then, stick the little nib through here. If I can get a good eye on it, knowing which way to go on. And just mash it in, maybe. There we go. Good, tight, snug fit. Now this, and I've always found that on these kind of little body parts, if you take a little bit of grease and put on those before you put them in, first, they'll go in much easier. And if you have to replace it again, they'll come out much easier. There we go. All right. I guess should have tried a key before. Oh yeah, it worked. Don't try that without a battery. I mean, with a battery. All right. New key and new ignition switch. Took it took me about 5 or 10 minutes longer than it normally should. So it's maybe a 3-minute, 4-minute job if you don't have to record it or say anything. And you want to make sure that your deal is still hooked up. And it is. All right. I guess that's it for now.